Well, ooh, so Amalawi, ndinaona mukupanga celebrate ndi ma Chinese. Akukuonetsani drone technology pamene paja. Amazing stuff. But I want to warn you. Malawi ndi dziko lathu. Pali zinthu zimene enafe timadziwa, zimene Amalawi ambiri samadziwa. Ma Chinese zimene amakuonetsani zija, kukuonetsani nkhope ya bingu, njovu, technology imene chai. The military grade technology. Military intelligence gathering technology. What they have done, while they're showing you that, Ugugu amauluka, gathering mineral data, intelligence, security intelligence, everything about our country. Analowetsa madrone amene chawo mdziko mwathu ndicho linga chokuti apange gather information ya ma minerals athu, where they can go and target those areas and mine. Security installations, military, police, all the security services in Malawi. Those drones amene amakupangirani bimu, nkhope za bingu, za njovu, chanchani, that was a front. Amalawi muzikhala ndi zero. And panopa over for the country. But if you can entertain that, that is military grade technology. Imena kuibweresa in Malawi, kupangani bipanga mask ngati celebratory lights in the air. Midnight sky lit up. Timamenya makombola, usayuza makombola bwanji. Why they brought you drones? Because those drones, while Amalawi muli busy kumasangala, hey, pakana budzaza, pa bingu, pa BICC bacho. Those drones anali ndi ena in the background, making beams and throwing beams into our Earth's crust, targeting military installations, our barracks, our security. We not going to community in the security installations in Malawi. That night, my Chinese moved. He failed in the business one bit of much. You know, mufuna munduze na yuri Malawi Army or Malawi Embassy in China can be allowed to do a demonstration with drone technology that is military grade. Can the Malawi Embassy in China be authorized by the Chinese government to do a demonstration using military grade drones in Beijing? Can Malawi Embassy in Washington, D.C. be authorized to use military grade technology? Can that happen? Kwa dijima difuta ndijana Malawi kumuza Chinese or muntu oyela kungu kuti no, you are not doing this in our country. Ame atu anakazitenga katundu anakampanga kai test, umpanga check kuti is it a security threat? Is it something that we have to be scared of? We need to observe it, we need to check it, we need to test it ourselves. If we are happy with it, you can proceed. The technology they are using is the technology that the Chinese are using in Iran to target military installations belonging to America in the Middle East. That level of technology that you saw at BICC gathers intelligence. Osamangombera manja zili zonse Malawi. Please, John. Dziko ndirano tiri. Salute.